Hello, let's continue our advanced Sudoku series where we are solving the puzzles from the Sudokult Gospel. You can find out more in the description or by going to the first video in this series. But today we are going to be solving Devilry by Sam Cappleman-Lynes. I guess these aren't sorted in any order because just last puzzle was also Sam's puzzle, so that's fine. We will feature Sam again in a row. So this is still in the category of chapter 1, learning to fly, which means they all are wings of some kind, but wing is a very generic term, could mean a lot of things. So we will find out what is in store for us here. There is a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, well, let's just do some scanning, see what we can find. This diagonal, like this is what's so great about handcrafted Sudokus. It's just how beautiful the layouts are so often. Like there's just an eye for symmetry and beauty. But yeah, just the fact that they're all diagonal also makes me think we're not going to find a whole lot from basic Sudoku. And if it's anything like the last puzzle, we're going to find nothing from basic Sudoku. But we still can mark the board with some information, and maybe that'll be helpful. Like this one looks up, this one looks in. So there's a 1 in one of these two. That does point left, this one looks left. So there's a 1 over here. Often these puzzles are specifically crafted that you get absolutely nothing until you find the thing, and then it's just all singles. I don't know if that's how all these puzzles are, but that is definitely a trend among handcrafted classics. All right, we do have 2 4s, which I somehow missed until now, so let's do that. Yeah, I think I might move on here. Let's look at this band here. We have all the 9s. 6, 3, 1, 5, nothing repeats. Okay, I have this 3 looking in and this 3 looking in. So there's a 3 in, oh my gosh. There's a 3 in one of those two. There are 2 4s looking into this box as well. So 4 is here. One of those two, I mean. We have this 3 and this 3, but that's not good enough. We have this 1 and this 1. That's not good enough. I'm not saying anything else. Let's move on to the next band here. I'm looking for this 4 or this 9 to do something, but it doesn't. We do have 2 8s. So those look in. There's an 8 in one of those two. Like I said, I don't know how much we're going to get from scanning here. We got the 4s. I'm going vertical now. I'll just really quickly look for repeats at least. We have all these 1s, so there's a 1 in one of these two. Okay. That's it. We really are getting nothing. Amazing. 2 9s look down, so there's a 9 in one of these two. We're getting some corner marks. I don't see anything else repeating. Okay, so we're going to have to look for restricted cells. Where are we going to find the restricted cells is the question, because there isn't like a single row, column, or box that's pretty restricted. So we're going to have to look for cells like, I don't know, this isn't even a good example, but it sees 6 digits, right? But there's the 4 repeats, so it only sees 5. Wow. I wonder if there's a restriction on a row or a column that I missed. In fact, we should look at geometry. That there might be geometry to find. So like this 3, 4, 9. We need the 3 and the 9 in this row. Those don't look super interesting. We need the 3 and the 9 in this column. We need the 3 and the 4 in this column. No. Okay. We need a 5 in this column. No. We need a 6 in the column. Huh. I'm seeing 1s in this column. Are almost interesting. So that might be something to look for. So there's a 1 here or a 1 here in this column, and that's it. So I'm gonna mark that green, and I'm just gonna corner 1s in there and hope I remember what that means. That in this column we need a 1 in one of those two. I could look for 1s elsewhere. All right, this 8, 7. So we need an 8 in this column. That's not helpful. We need an 8 in this row. No, we need a 7 in this row. Also not helpful. Wow, you wouldn't even think this puzzle had a solution just looking at it. Yeah, I got the 4s. So I need the 3 and the 4 in this row. That's not 3, that's not 3. So the 3 is in one of these two. We'll use purple to say, hey, there's a 3 in one of those two. I'm really not going to remember what that means, but that's okay. I'm not sure restricting rows and columns is actually working out here. We have a lot of 9s. What are we doing with that? They're down here. They're like anywhere here. They're anywhere here. They're here. They're here. That doesn't do anything. 9 in this column is in 2 places. Guess we could mark that since we found it. There's 9 somewhere there. I'm just using the color to remind myself that I didn't. It's not marking the box. It's marking something else. Just a little like reminder, like putting a little string on your finger, right? Oh, I missed these 2 7s. That's clearly going to do it. So 7 one of those two. What about 9 in this column? So it's not here. It's not here. So it's down here somewhere. Nope. The 6 over here. There must be restricted cells somewhere. Why am I not seeing it? How are these arranged such that... Devilry. What could devilry mean? I'm trying to meta the title of the puzzle at this point. Take everything I can get. There's literally nothing to find in this puzzle. All right. I could... Okay, this cell sees 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. Okay. So it can be 1, it can't be 2, it could be 3, it can't be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, could be 9, which is unfortunate. Let's see, we've had the Y wing, we've had the XYZ wing, and we've had the W wing. So what other wings could we have? I know there's things like L wings and things like that, which is why I'm thinking maybe it's like a bilocal wing, like using these 1s or something. So the 1s would bridge the gap to... Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what the formation is. We'll find out. Wait, these 1s look over. Right, there's 1s here, so this isn't a 1 either. All right, 3, 9 is promising. What about this cell, since we know it could be 3, 4, but let's see, it could be 2, 3, 4, can't be 5, 6, it could be 7, can't be... Let's not pencil that one. Is there another one like this that's like tucked away? Would this be the equivalent one? Let's see, it can't be 1, 2, could be 3, can't be 4, 5, 6, could be 7, can't be 8, could be 9. Now, there was a restriction on 1s up here, but I think the similar restriction is, it would be here. We need to find a crossing over here, but we don't have one. Huh. What can I even pencil on this board? Can't be 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. Okay, what am I doing with this 3, 9? So, okay, maybe it has something to do with the 3, 9, because like it connects to this 9 bilocal and it connects to this 3 here. So like if this is a 9, then that's a 9. Otherwise, this is a 3 and that's a 3. Like that's setting up some kind of wing, right? But like I don't know what to do about one of these is 3 or 9. So there must be another cell that's important for that. So it might be like a buy value connected by two different buy locals. So I would expect, what would I expect out of this? I would expect, I'm not even sure what I'd look for. It's not just this cell, is it? This cell can be a lot of things. Maybe there's more buy locals I haven't seen. I did get these ones. I got these threes as well. I'm just looking at where 3 can go in this row, but it's so many places. Oh, it can't go there, obviously, because there's the 3 in the box. Not seeing anything to do there. 3's up here. This cell can't be 1, 2, 3, so it can be 4, 5, 6, 9. Like, that's not helpful. What if it's an XYZW wing? Then we need to pencil cells that can be 4. Up to 4. I guess I might have to. So this can be 1, 2, 3, 4. It can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be 6, 7, 8. This can't be 1, 2, 3. It could be 4. Can't be 5, 6. Oh, it can't be 4. Wait, it can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7, 9. Wait. These cells are more restricted than I expect. This cell too can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's only 7, 8. So it can't be 9 either. Okay, now we're cooking. It's this 1, 2, 3. And then this corner too. Can't be 1, 2, could be 3. No, it can't be 3. Can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's only 8, 9. Is it the corners again? Is this just a Y-wing in the corners? So yeah, this is a Y-wing. I was trying to make this way harder than it was. I think. So the point here is that this is our pivot. So I'll put the pivot in red. And so what we think about is the two possible values the pivot could have. The pivot could be 7, which makes this cell a 9, or the pivot could be 8, which makes that cell a 9. So one of these two cells must be 9. So this cell cannot be a 9. So if this cell's not a 9, then it's from 1, it can't be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now it can't be 9, so that fills a 1. That gives me that one as well. Okay, that's what we were looking for. Now what can we do with that? Okay, we don't need that highlighted anymore. I mean, I just got the ones. That surely does something, right? Let's think about this column. This column needs 2, 3, 4, 6. No, not 6. 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. This can't be 3, 4. So this is 2, 7, 9. This can't be 3 or 9. So this is. All right, I'm just going to fill 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Yeah, this can't be 3 or 9. This can't be 9. All right, that's not helpful. What else does this one do? Or this one? Okay, I victory danced way too soon because there's more to find here, I'm sure. Think about this row. I'm going to think about the whole perimeter. So we need 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So this is from 5, 6 only, because it can't be 8, 4, or 9. 4, 5, 6, 9, 4, 5, 6, 9. 4, 5, 8. Okay, this column needs a lot. It needs 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So I'm not too happy about that. Really, these are 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 because they both see a 9. Yeah, I'm not filling that. Maybe this one, it can be 1, 2, can't be 3, 4, 5, 6, could be 7, 8. It's 4 digits. Not going to fill that. Top row, we need 4 through 4 through 9. That's not helpful. The only thing I can think of is these ones are occupying a spot. Yeah, they are. This one is occupying a spot. That's actually really important because this 9 looks down. Yes, yes. This 9 looks down now. So 9's in one of these two in this box, which points right, which removes this as being a 9. And so now the only place for 9 in this box is here, and the only place for 8 in this box is here. This being a 9 didn't do anything. We knew one of these two would be a 9, so setting one of them to 9 doesn't actually chain react the rest of the Y-wing, unfortunately. But what's left in this box? We need 3, 4, 5, 7. So the 4 can only go here, because of this 4 looking in. So this is from 3, 5, 7. Okay. I should have known to look at the corners after the last couple puzzles. Let's see. So what does this 3, 5, 7 do for me? 5's in one of these two, which points in. These 4's look into this box, so there's a 4 in one of these two. I got the 8, I got the 9. The 9, is that? Okay, the 9 is helpful because this 9 looks in here. These 9s still point in. This 9 looks down, so that's a 9. Now these two 9s look up, this 9 looks in. That's a 9, that's a 4. We get the 7 and the 8, very nice. We get the 6, we get the 5, we get this 5. Okay. Now we're cooking. That's a 5. There's no 7s in any of these. So the 9s are down to this. I don't think I need these in blue anymore. I just literally need to add a corner mark there and it's correct. This box needs 1 and 9, which go like that. And then we need 3, which can only go there. And we need an 8, which can go anywhere. Okay? I need a drink of water. All right, what else can we do here? I got the 8. So these 8s look in. There's an 8 up here somewhere. In fact, this whole column needs 1, 6, 7, 8. So the 7 in this column is also down here. So this is not 7 or 8. So this is only 1, 6. In fact, this whole box needs 1, 2, 6, 7. So the 7 has to go there. Nice. That's 3 and 7. Now that my purple comes in handy, this is the only place for 3 in the row now. Yay. Don't need the purple. This column, we know we need a 1. We need 1, 2, and 3. That's worth filling, for sure. Because this is the only place for 3. We're left with a 1, 2 pair, which means I don't need the green anymore, because it's a 1, 2 pair. This is 1, 2, or 6, can't be 1, so it's 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, triple. Actually, we can place the 3 in this box. And then we can place the 3 and the 9 in this box. And then we have a 2, 4 pair in that box. We can place the 9 here. So this triple is 2, 6, 7. So the 7 goes here. We're left with a 2, 6, which we know the order of because of that 2 and 6. This is a 2. The box needs a 4. Actually, what's this row need? It needs a 5. The box needs a 4, which can only go there because that 4, and we need a 6. And then here we need a 1 or an 8. Could be either. Okay, low-hanging fruit. Pair here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 5 and 8 here. So this is the order. Oops, 5 and 8 because of that 8 there. We need a triple here. We need 2, 3, and 6. This sees 2, 3. So that's the 6. And I think it's a 2, 3 pair to remain. Oh, I missed a 3. Ah, it was in black. Givens are hiding sometimes. This is a 2, 7. Okay. This is a 4, 5. Okay. And this is a 6, 8. Okay, we know the order of that. That's 8, that's 6, because that's 6 there. So that's not 8. 2, 4, 6 here. Well, these both see 6. So the 6 goes there. That's 1 and 2. That's a 1. That's an 8. That's a 1. That's an 8. We got the 8 there. That's not an 8. So we need a 2 and a 4 here. And then we need a 6 and a 7 here. We know the order. That's 2 and 7, 4 and 2, 4 and 2, 5 and 4. 1, 5, 7 remain. That's 7. That's 1. That's 5. Okay. Yeah, and of course I'll embed the solution for you. Well, actually, this was the simplest of the 3, other than just finding it, right? I mean, it was in the corners, but that's when you're looking for Y-wings and stuff like that, often you're looking more local, right? You don't expect them to be so far away. And also, for some reason, I didn't really see from my scanning that these 3 cells were all 3 buy values until I really plunged into it and started penciling stuff. But obviously, right from the start, you can do this Y-wing. And that does make this a naked single 1 right from the start. And I'm pretty sure it's just singles from there. I don't think we had to do anything super complicated afterwards. So yeah. Cool. Well, thank you, Sam, again. And yeah, for only needing that one technique, it was a bit of a struggle. So little preview of what's in store for us in upcoming puzzles. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you're enjoying this series. I hope you are. And I hope you want to see more of that. If you do want to see more, you can signal that by liking the video, by subscribing, by leaving a comment, by sharing with your friends, all that good stuff. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.